CastleHill has been around since 2014, and really it's a company that was born out of the idea that we could help companies be more effective with their risk management programs because we have the business and technology expertise to help you with your risk management process, with your risk management program, as well as help you with your RSA Archer implementation. So we have that marriage of the two business and technology capabilities that we can bring to every single relationship. And fundamentally, it's always about being process driven, right? So what is the process that we're trying to achieve? What are we trying to do? What are the goals that we're trying to do? Because then we can actually bring the technology around to satisfy those process requirements and those goals. We actually, at CastleHill, we're split about 50-50 between business and technology team members. And so we can actually bring a combined team of that business and technology expertise to every single engagement that we have. And so that ensures that we're looking at this from that process perspective, that we understand what the risk management process is trying to do, and then we can implement it effectively within RSA Archer. So we have the deep expertise on both sides of the fence to ensure that you're going to be successful with the implementation we do. Yeah, at CastleHill, we're very, very comfortable understanding that your GRC program is not just about Archer, right? Archer is a tool that should be facilitating the activities that you're performing as part of your programs. And if you don't understand what you're trying to achieve out of your programs, if you don't have effective processes, we can help with that as well, right? Making sure that you are driving those effective processes and adapting those processes occasionally where the Archer platform is going to give you better value, it's going to give you better capabilities than maybe what you've started within your programs, but ultimately meshing those two together to ensure that the platform is actually serving the program, not the other way around. So we have a number of different ways that we can actually evaluate the assurance of a program. And so we've done this at extremely large organizations, again, as I mentioned earlier. And so we can look at very innovative ways of making sure that we're not overburdening the second and third line participants within the process with too much red tape, with too much difficulty in actually trying to look at how to evaluate whether or not the program objectives are in fact being met. So we can talk through a number of those different approaches to validate and test that your control environment is actually operating correctly. CastleHill actually has a whole suite of accelerators for RSA Archer. So whether it's from a process perspective, so we have a fully developed system development lifecycle methodology specific for RSA Archer that allows teams to be very efficient with what they're doing through integration capabilities. So we have our meta detective tool, which allows us to examine and evaluate all of the meta information about your Archer instance. It allows us to do numerous different scenarios from a DevOps perspective, but it also allows us to actually then extract information through our CastleHill data utility. So we can bring data out of Archer into reporting environments or bring large quantities of data into Archer through the data utility. And then finally, we have different accelerators from a risk management perspective. So third-party risk management, we have an accelerator for regulatory change management, issue management, RCSA. These are effectively pre-built process-oriented capabilities or accelerators within the RSA Archer platform. Of course, they have to be tailored to your organization, but they're things that we can help implement very quickly if you need to bring this in for a new program or a new capability. CastleHill has vast experience within the RSA Archer world. We've been working with Archer for many years, so it's over 10 years at this point. And CastleHill has been doing some of the largest integrated risk management implementations of RSA Archer in the world. So it doesn't matter whether your organization is small, large, whether you're just starting out, or whether you're fully fledged and have been using Archer for 10 years, we can help you with any of those spaces. So again, we can take all those lessons learned in doing those massive integrated risk management implementations and scale them down to the right size for a smaller organization. Doesn't matter which industry. We've worked across financial services, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, materials, all those different areas. We can definitely help you with whatever we need to do. Fundamentally at CastleHill, GRC is our only focus. We are not a multifaceted consulting firm. We're not out trying to sell you products. We're not out trying to do a specific risk area. And so we have that capability. We can bring success to your organization because that is our only focus. Thank you.